Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap is very, very bad, very poor technicals. As in, like, we have two targets fresh out of the oven for you. Two targets at 1,000 and potentially 500. I don't think so, but there is a possibility we could head towards 500. If we drop from 1,007 to 500, this will be a 67 decimation of Uniswap against BTC. Why am I bearish? Very obvious. Look at this. Mountain 1, Mountain 2. It feels to me like we're coming down for a mountain number 3. This is very bad, to be honest. This is very bad. I don't really like what I see. Right, and this is a big descending triangle. I don't know. It feels to me like Uniswap is in trouble. It's in trouble. See, every time we rally, right, we get slapped down. We rally, we get slapped down. We rally. It feels to me like we're getting slapped at the moment. Sure, we could go up, a little bit higher, right? Of course. But it's not looking good to me, right? We're not exactly severely oversold, right? And over here, when things were dropping for Uniswap, we were not severely oversold, but we stayed in an oversold state for some time, for months. See, we're oversold. Even here, we're oversold. Just because we're oversold doesn't mean there's going to be a strong bounce. We can stay oversold longer than you can expect, right? From top to bottom of where we were oversold, right? There was a small rally. We dropped another 36%, right? And even after that, we had a rally show of 57%, but look at where we are right now. We're getting slapped. We're heading towards, the support line. This is just not good. Boys and girls, this is just not good. So you need to be very careful about going to a trade too soon for Uniswap against BTC especially. Against USD, it's the same freaking thing. Look at this. Big mountain, number 1. Medium mountain, number 2. We're coming down to mountain number 3. There are several targets, but I'm going to take things one step at a time. The next target for Uniswap is actually $1.96. We're at $4.70 right now. This is more than 50%. Yeah, this is 57%. I think we're hunting for this low. I think the whales are looking out for this low. Right. Oh my god, this is not good. Right. It's like every time we rally, right, we get pulled back down. There is selling pressure over a long period of time, pulling the price lower, right? Again, it took us so long to rise up and so quick to drop from the very bottom to the very top. How long did it take? 51 days, right? Okay, let's just take it from here. Bottom to top, how many days? 42 days, right? Top to bottom, how many days? 21 days, half the time to drop. Double the time to rise. Where is the speed? Down. The speed is towards the downside. Right, you can even see a head and shoulders over here. You see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, zip down. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a continuation chart pattern. I suspect it's a wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going lower for Uniswap. I mean, of course, I could be very, very wrong. Skinny doesn't know what he's talking about. Uniswap just starts breaking out. We go back to double digits. Yippee! Everybody's happy, right? But based on the technical side of things, we are more likely than not to go lower. There's real danger for Uniswap. So, yeah, I'm a bit scared actually. We're already oversold. So even if you were to drop, I suspect there could be a bounce coming on. Right, we're not severely oversold, but we are kind of oversold. Not saying we can't drop any lower, but we might rally a little bit before heading lower. Right, so yeah, it's just not really looking good. So be careful about rushing into a long for Uniswap, because I think very likely we are going much lower. I don't know what's the news that's going to come on, but it feels to me like Uniswap is going to drop much lower. So it'll be a good time to brush up on your shorting skills.